Nike reporting earnings today after the bell. Shares are up nearly 15% this year. What are you watching for, Pete? I know a lot of people are looking for a North American inflection.
Yeah, and you know what? They already reported last quarter where North America was a little bit weaker. Everybody was concerned about that, sold off the stock, and I think that was the opportunity because when you look at the company right now, revenue, where is it coming from? It's coming from international. That actually has outgained what we're seeing on the U.S. side, and yet everybody always wants to focus on North America. I think this thing's it's a buy. But at this point in time, which I own it, I'm putting it at a hold because obviously earnings are going to be the real answer.
Yeah, look, the quarter should be absolutely fine. The thing you're bringing up with North America, that has already inflected. And the trade issues that we've been talking about should not impact Nike in terms of the fundamentals. World Cup should be a positive. Problem here is stock trades at 27 times forward earnings. And for this stock, with its history, that's about 10% above where it should trade. So I think, and I've said this before, I think the next 10% move on this is to the downside. But for a long-term investor, 2-3 years out, it'll be higher than it is today. Yeah, I just think you're going to get a better.
Is it too high even with the international growth the way it is, though?
I think at 27 times it is. Now, obviously, this is an opinion, not a fact. But look, it usually trades 22 to 24 times.
Change his mind when you ask him?
Yeah, I thought
you never know.
So here's my issue with it. I like it. You still see it as a dominant brand, but they lost their entire management team to the Me Too movement. In my view, they didn't kick them out soon enough.
The stock hardly reacted to any of that, though.
Right, and so there's got to be execution risk when you lose a whole layer of senior management like that. That's my concern. I'd love to buy it.
If it hit down 10%, as Jim had said, you buy it.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.